this is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today as part of hashtag Embellish With Us Wednesdays, which is an open collaboration that is hosted by Marianne's Craft Corner. I'll put a link to her amazing channel in the description below, and me. And what that is every Wednesday, there's the opportunity for anyone to participate by sharing any embellishments that they have been making. And embellishments can be anything. This week, I am going to share tags. And so I am starting my Christmas in July crafting. This is my first project, so I'm so excited. And I'm also joining in on Creating with Jovi and Enchanted Dreams 71 open collaboration on hashtag Christmas in July 22. And I'll put a link to their channels in the description box below so you can check them out. And this is on every Wednesday in July to share something Christmas, and they kind of have a schedule. So I am so excited to share these sweet little tags that I made. I have 6 in total today. So I just wanted to start off by showing you that you can purchase, right, these regular tags, which I think these tags are so cute. I got these from my haul yesterday. I shared it's from the Creative Path online store on AliExpress. I'll put a link to these items in the description below. And what I did was I just thought I'd zhuzh them up a little bit, like to make them a little bit more special. So you can see here's the penguin, and it's so cute with that little snow globe, which is adorable. But you know what? If all I did here was just add some of this pink twine, and I did a little bit of stickles over each one of the little snowdrops that are already on the card, and I added some of these iridescent little snowflake sequins on here as well. And then I went ahead and just added a paper dangle to this. So what I did was I just used my star punch, or if you have dies, or you could even just cut them out by hand, just draw them and cut them out, or you could get a download free image on the web too, and just cut it out. And I cut it out of iridescent paper, and I just glued them on, so both front and back, so no matter which way it turns. And so I added that sweet little dangle. Now, this would look so cute hanging as an ornament on a Christmas tree, but also would be beautiful on a package too, or in a journal. So I'm not quite sure how many use it yet, but I'm so happy with the way that turned out. So then I did something very similar with this little polar bear tag. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, I love that polar bear. And so I used that same, like this is like thicker than thread and much thinner than twine. So this metallic pink, I put that up there. And then I used my little punch that I got from Daiso, which when I bought it, it was $1.50. These are like flowers, but I thought, you know what, those look close enough to snowflakes. And so I cut them out of that holographic paper as well. And I made a dangle for this. And then there's like a bow. That's why it looks so fluffy. I've got a triple bow on this. Okay, so then I continued on, and there's a penguin. So here is the plain penguin tag, and here's my little zhuzhed up penguin tag. So you can see that what I did was I stickled up the snow that's on the tree, on the Christmas tree, and then I just added that same metallic pink, and then I added little holographic stars this time. So I just think that that is so sweet. So of this type, so here's another traditional tag. This one says Jingle All the Way, and what I did was I put glossy accents on the stars, and then I added just a little bit of gold glitter glue to the pine cones, and then I did the white stickles on the snowflake, and then I added 3 little pink stars down the side. And what I did was I took my marker and I went around the edges to add a little more depth so that they would match the depth of the stars that are on the tag. So I went ahead and I made that one. Okay, now in that card pack, there are some plain gold foil shapes, but you know, if you've got any die cuts or anything, you can cut these out by hand. So I started with a metallic gold foil, what do you call it, die cut. And then to that, I use the sweet ephemera. So these are the die cut shapes, Merry and Sweet, and I'll put a link to this in the description below. These are what I shared yesterday. There's 124 die cuts in there. So what I did was I grabbed one of the snowflakes for the top of the tree, and I added some gold stickles to that. I grabbed a polar bear. Isn't he cute? And then I grabbed one of the sentiments. It says peace, and it has the gold foil trees. And then I punched out these little stars out of gold glitter. And so I added those on this gold twine. And I think that is just so adorable, so adorable. And then I did one more where I did a star. So again, these are all shapes you can use with your punches, your die cuts, or even just get a free image that you can trace off the internet. And so what I did on here was I just glued on those iridescent or holographic little sequins on the corners. I added a candle from that die cut pack. I added a little stickles to the candle. I added a little sequin to the middle of it, and then I added the sentiment from the die cuts, which says sparkle and shine. And then I added these 3 little gold dingles right to the bottom. So these hang from the bottom. All the other ones hang from the side. So these are my 6 sweet tags that I made, my very first projects for Christmas in July. I'm so excited. I'm in love with this paper collection, and I really wanted to use Pastel Christmas this year. I did not really do Pastel Christmas last year, so I'm so excited to do my first projects. So thank you so much for stopping by. Please check out all the other makers with the amazing hashtags of hashtag Embellish With Us Wednesday, as well as hashtag Christmas in July 22 to see their makes and get inspired. And I hope you'll share yours too. Thank you for spending time with me today, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.